Hi guys, welcome to my second video. In the second video, I've decided to set up another lab topology where you can actually practice your CCNA security on, and I've set that up in GNS3 as you can see. So I've got basically three routers connected to an external, with router 3 connected to an external network and the workstation at the external network. And I've got router 1 connected to an ASA firewall, and that is actually connected to the internal network with workstation 1 and the DMC with a DMC server. So I mean, this topology should basically allow you to go through most of the CCNA security, or pretty much all of the CCNA security topics, and set them up. So you'll have to configure the IP addresses and so on. I can configure them here, and as you can see, I've put this one is in VLAN 3, this one is VLAN 1, and VLAN 2 is the outside network. So there has to be netting done here as usual, like from the internal network to the outside network, and there has to be routing protocols set up from between the three routers so that they can communicate with each other. So once, if you want to ping this, for instance, if you want to ping workstation 1 and you want to ping workstation 2, you'll need to go through, you need to set that up so that the traffic can be directed up to there. So basically for the computers, I set up virtual PC simulator, which comes with GNS3. So you can actually use that to actually simulate your PC. You don't really have to do. I could have used loopback adapters or whatever, and I probably changed it to that since I need to use Cisco Configuration Professional to work on the routers. But I just wanted to show that you actually can do that with virtual PC simulators. Just set up your IP addresses and so on, and then when you configure your cloud, you just add the port, the new UDP port that is like connected to that. So you can see the first PC is 2000, 20,000, 30,000. So that's a remote port. So the same thing happens here. So the local port is 30,000 and the remote port is 20,000 in those. And now you are able to actually assign an IP address to that and be able to ping across your networks once you actually set it up correctly. So I did the same for all three of my workstations plus the server, as you can see there. And assigned them IP addresses and saved the IP address scheme so I can load it up anytime I want to load the lab. So you can use MS loopback adapters like I said, and you can use virtual box if you want, but depending on how much RAM or how much power your computer has, you can choose which option is best for you. Alright, so that's all for today. Just wanted to show you the lab that I'm going to be practicing on through when I'm doing the lab guide that the Cisco provides. And thanks for listening.